Hi everyone, welcome to the session. Today agenda is driver installation in Selenium. Uh, to initialize the driver, first of all, we should look into the dependencies. What dependencies are required to initialize the driver in Selenium? Next one is how to implement the browser interface. Next one, maximizing the window and how to launch any website. These are the topics for the today. First of all, we will look into the uh, First of all, we will look into the IntelliJ. Yeah, let us start the new project. New project. I'm giving the title as a Selenium. Now you have to select the language as Java and the build system is Maven. Okay, we will discuss it later. First of all, we should know that we are using the build tool is Maven and the Java SDK I am using is 19 JDK. Let us create it. Uh, Now it is a completely a Java project. It don't have any idea about the Selenium now. Okay, how we can give the idea about the Selenium now? First of all, we will go into the POM. Here we need the dependencies. After version, we will give the dependencies. Okay, here which dependencies are required? It is a question now. In dependencies, first of all, we are using Maven build. Okay. Next one is Selenium dependency. And next one is WebDriver dependency. Okay. We will look into the Maven now. We will navigate to Maven Selenium dependency. Okay. Here you can see it is the dependency for the Maven build. These are the other kinds of builds. Now I am taking from the Maven build. Paste it in the dependency section. Okay, it is for Selenium, so it have the basic knowledge of Selenium. Now we have to implement the browser interface. For that, in latest builds we are having the WebDriverManager. Okay, let us go to the Selenium WebDriverManager. Yeah, here we have the WebDriverManager. Copy it and paste it in the Maven build. Okay, now you can see here is a symbol for Maven. So if you click here, it will build the Maven. It is in progress. Yeah, it is completed now. Now, browser interface. Now, how could we can start the driver interface? That it means now how to implement the browser interface. That is the problem here. Here you can see that for the WebDriverManager, it is a main class. In this, we are using a Chrome driver interface. So we are giving as a WebDriverManager.ChromeDriver.setup. It is the default option. In earlier cases, that means in earlier builds, we are using a separate file for the Chrome driver and we will give it as a property file. But here, by using the WebDriverManager.ChromeDriver.setup, we can directly give this assignment. Here you can see WebDriver space driver equal to new Chrome driver. It is the implementation of the interface. Okay, WebDriver is the parent class. That means parent for the interface. It will be implemented as a Chrome driver. Okay, here we can give the WebDriver declaration initially. Then there is no need to write WebDriver for every time. Okay. Here we will start the actual Selenium program. First of all, we have to need the WebDriver. Now, how we can declare it? It is a driver. It is your choice. Now I'm using the WebDriver manager here. WebDriver manager dot Chrome driver dot setup. Yeah, it is initialization for the driver. Now we can write it as a driver equal to new Chrome driver. So it is completed. Okay, it is a method to initialize the driver for the Chrome driver. Thereafter, we can maximize the window. What we have, yeah, here it is a browser interface. Once after implementing it, we are having the maximizing the window. How to maximize the window? Driver dot manage dot window dot maximize. First one is the class reference variable. Thereafter, these are the methods in that driver class. Okay, by using that we can do it. Just now the browser will open. Okay, just the window is open. Now if you use this command driver dot manage dot maximize, window dot maximize, then the window will be maximized. Okay, now what is our next step? Just we have to launch in particular website. To do that, we have to use the command driver dot get, in inverted commas you can give the website. It is the website where we want to launch. Okay, once after launching, I'm giving thread sleep, thread dot sleep. Just it is what it's saying is you should wait for some time. How many times? In milliseconds, I am saying 3 milliseconds. It needs an error handling and exception. It's okay. Then finally what we want to do is close the driver. Okay, so let us see what happens now. Just it will open the Chrome driver. Thereafter it will manages, that it means it will maximizes the driver. Thereafter it will launch in this website. Next it will wait for 3 seconds. After that it will close the driver. It is a process we are expecting. Let us test it. Launching the website. It is okay. Now the other problem is how to initiate the WebDriver for the different drivers. Now I have set for the Chrome driver. For the Firefox driver, how to initialize this? Just we can give the same thing, but here is WebDriverManager dot Firefox driver. Here we have used the Chrome driver. Here we have to use Firefox driver. At the driver initialization, driver equal to new Firefox driver. We will do it once. It is a Firefox driver we are expecting. So delete the Chrome driver. Here instead of Chrome driver, we are expecting Firefox driver. Simply it will launch in Firefox driver. These two arguments will decide that in which browser we have to launch. Like that, if you want to launch in edge driver dot edge driver, here the implementation is edge driver. Okay, now it is opened in edge driver. You can see at bottom. Yeah, edge browser is open. Navigated to the site, waited for the 3 seconds, and it is closed. Okay. Okay guys, thank you.